So it's Pusheen box time. This time it actually came wrapped up like a normal box, and I was like, what's that? Ripped it open and saw this. I was like, that's Pusheen. That is Pusheen. But I haven't seen the rest of the box, so we're gonna have a look at it together. This is slightly unorthodox. Like, usually I already know what the box looks like because it comes, you know, like already in its own packaging. But I don't know. Look at the pink toe beans that I didn't know about, and look at the pink toe beans here. The universe is speaking to me and is telling me that Pusheen and I, we're just one. We are just united. It is what it is. Yeah. Not that I don't wear this ring the majority of the time that I open up this box. Oh my gosh. Look at her rosy cheeks. Oh my, I have no idea what this theme is. No idea, but I am so excited. Actually, why am I saying I have no idea? That looks like a strawberry. It looks like the top of a strawberry. Have we got a strawberry themed box? Ah!
I'm sorry, I have to like clack the fan because it is currently roasting. It's pouring rain outside and it's still roasting. Oh my god.
Oh, well, that was a chaotic intro. Nothing new there. Hey guys, it's your girl Aisha, and I am so super duper excited about this box. Oh my goodness, I've never seen a full-blown pink box. Like the pink milk box that we had a few months ago, that was pink and white. It was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. But this is just like full-blown pink with rosy cheeks and strawberry pips, and I'm just like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I think I've talked enough. That was quite a long intro. So, pink scissors at the ready. Okay, I'm gonna have to be like super delicate with this because I do not want to ruin this box. Oh my goodness. Do you like my fan, by the way? Good vibes, good vibes. Ooh, yes. So those of you who are new to my channel, hello and welcome. I am Aisha Shasha, your kawaii crafting sister who also just so happens to be obsessed by Pusheen. Whenever I do Pusheen unboxings, or unboxings of any kind really, I tend not to look in the box. I also do my hardest not to get any spoilers, so I don't go looking online for things. I just love surprises. I love surprises. You're never told for surprises. Like, what is that? That's a card. Let's move the card and put it just over here somewhere. Okay. Right, so the box isn't as full as it has been previously. We have had some like really like chunky items recently, but then again, this is the summer box, so maybe it's more kind of like picnicky themed. Maybe, I don't know. This feels like it could be like a pouch of some sort. What is this? I was completely right. It's a little band bag. No, just, oh my gosh, look at this. I have to get close, look at this. Let me try and like, there we go. Look at this. This is so damn cute. I'm very much a like Y2K kind of gal, so like bum bags or fanny packs if you are American. I don't know what kind of accent that was, are very much my kind of vibe. I feel no shame in rocking one of these. You know, with fashion, what goes around comes around. Absolutely love that. And the thing is that that's not even really my colour. Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't usually wear peach. Would this be, yeah, this would be peach. Yeah, I don't usually wear peach. But I will happily get into peach for the sake of Pusheen. This is a plush. Should I do the plush now? I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna make you wait for it. I don't know what that was. I'm very excited. This is what happens when I get excited. I get a bit delirious. What is this? A makeup bag, maybe? Oh no, a hat. Is it a bucket hat? Is this a bucket hat? Oh my God, look at the little peach. Little peachy Pusheen bucket hat. Now the thing is, right? The thing is, let me try and adjust my exposure somehow. Pray for me. So it has been known that bucket hats don't really suit me. So I will try it on, and you're gonna have to decide for me if you think it looks all right. So bear with. Oh gosh, I forgot that I actually pinned this in. Speaking of hairpins, slight PSA. Do you like my gorgeous sweetheart hairpins? I actually made these myself. And if you do like them, you can go ahead on glitterbubble.co.uk and you can get your own. Oh my gosh, I'm out of focus again. You're gonna have to decide, does this suit me? Here we go. What do we think? What do we think? Like, I think it's so cute. I don't know. I just don't know if this really suits my head, maybe? I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm not 100% sure. The hat itself is gorgeous. Like, there is no shade on the hat. I just don't think that my head suits this hat. But drop a bucket in the comment section if you disagree and you think that I suit the bucket hat. Sweat dripping all over my body. What's in this little box here? What are you? What are you? Literally just what I needed. Literally just what I needed. Oh my God, this is perfection. This is utter perfection. A mini handheld fan. Get out. Get all the way out. Shut the front door. Shut the back door. Oh my God. Oh my God. I am such a hot mess. Could this be any more perfect? Look at her. Oh my God. The thing is, I'm getting excited now, right? As if I wasn't excited before. But I'm getting really excited now because squircles, square circles, apparently that's a word, are, aside from hearts and stars, squircles are my favorite shape. My phone is a squircle, okay? I have a Galaxy Z Flip 5. It's a rounded square. My business cards are squircles. I have many items actually, like containers and stuff, that are squircles. This is a squircle. This is a squircle. And this mimics my flip phone as well, because I just want to... Hello. It's got a little kickstand as well. Get out. Hold on. Is that a kickstand? Hold on, wait. Is it a stand? Wait, is it a stand? Tell me that's a stand. Is it a stand? Somebody answer me, is it a stand? It looks like it should be a stand, but I don't want to break it. Oh my God. I don't know if it's a stand or not. Is it a stand? Is it a stand? Because always tell me if this has a stand. Is it a stand? Does it have instructions? I can't get it out. Does that mean it's not a stand? If I can't get it out, does that mean it is not a stand? But it looks like it should come out. Oh, that looks like it should come out. Hold on. Breaking my nail as we speak. It looks like it should come out. I'm so scared. I'm so scared that I'm gonna like break it. But that to me looks like it should come out. I didn't know that it was charged. Oh my God. Oh, Pusheen. Pusheen. Queen Pusheen. You just knew what I needed. You just knew. You knew what I needed. You're all that I wanted. And all that I needed. Yeah. 'Cause I'm every woman. Is that how it starts? I forgot. This is everything. Utter perfection. I love. Favorite item so far. Love it. Oh, we have different speeds. Oh, that's why that's what the lights are for. Oh, okay. So we have lights here. Ooh. Okay, so we have 3 speeds and then off. Oh, the lights don't actually move. Okay, never mind. Right, what is this now? Okay, this is the plush. This is the plush. Let me give you guys the plush. I give you the plush. I give you. Oh my god! Peachy Pusheen. She's massive. Look at that peachy butt. Oh my god! Peachy Pusheen. Oh, you are perfection. Oh, you're gonna sit right in the Pusheen Cafe downstairs. Yes, I have my own Pusheen Cafe downstairs. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's really big. Usually, like, the plushes are small enough, but she's actually quite big and quite firm as well. Oh, I love you. Oh, absolutely love you. This is a great box, you guys. This is a great box. Also, if you would like to get yourself your own Pusheen box, I do actually have a link in the description box below. So please go ahead and click on that and get yourself one, because like the amount of joy that you will receive, it's immeasurable. It really is. Right, what is in this box? What is this? Collapsible bottle, what? Ah! Silica gel. Don't need that. Hair in my mouth. Don't need that. Get out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so chaotic. Look at this bottle. Oh my gosh. Trying to just like blow some air into it so that you can see the design. Look at this. Oh, look at the Fruities. Tutti Frutti Pusheen. And you can hook that onto your bag or around your neck, wherever you want to wear it. Oh my goodness gracious me. And then when you're done, you just fold it up. This is so space saving. Oh, this box is perfect, you know. It's perfect. Okay, there's 1, 2. Alright, 2 items left. Yeah, 2 items left. Okay, 1 is clothing, 1 is in a box. We'll go for clothing last. Let's see what's in the box. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's a vinyl figure. I haven't seen it yet. I haven't seen it yet. You guys are seeing it first. I haven't seen it yet. I haven't seen it yet. Is it going to be a teeny tiny peach? Is it a teeny tiny peach? No, it's the strawberry. Oh my gosh. This, no, I'm sorry. This box is the best box so far. Like, this is adorable. Absolutely adorable. Look at this. Like, just look at her. Look at her. In all her glory. Look at this. You can't deny. You can't deny she's precious. She's amazing. She's incredible. She is the queen. And that's all there is to it. She's just the queen. So you will now go and join all of my other Pusheens in the kitchen, because all my vinyl figures are all in the kitchen or on display. This is perfection. I don't know what else you want from me. It's just perfect. Okay, last thing. What is this? This clothing item. What is this? What is this? It's a t-shirt. Oh my god. 100% real, cute, fresh, daily Pusheen fruits. Oh my god. Look at this. How gorgeous. And I love 4-pointed stars. They're my favorite kind of star. Look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. What a perfect box. Like, literally. There isn't a single thing in here that I don't love. The only thing is, with the bucket hat, it's just that I don't like the shape of the hat because it doesn't suit my head. I like the hat on other people. It just doesn't suit me personally. I mean, you guys might disagree, but I just think it doesn't suit me. If this was a visor, perfect. Because I still love my visor from last year. I still rock that all the time. This box is fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm very, very excited. I think you already know my favorite item. Like, I just love it. It's the fact that it fits. It's the fact that it's a squircle. Like, oh, I just love it. I absolutely love it. The collapsible bottle, so useful. The little bum bag. I mean, come on. What is not to love? What is not to love? If you haven't already, please do go ahead and check out my link in the description box below and bag yourself a Pusheen box. And if you're feeling flush, then you can go ahead and subscribe and get them every quarter because they are amazing, okay? They are amazing. I am going to have some water out of our new bottle. I'm going to fan myself because I'm really hot. And then I'm going to put my child to bed because, yeah, it's his bedtime now. So I'm gonna go and put my little one to bed. Thank you so much for joining me on this very chaotic journey of pure and utter joy. Yeah, I will see you soon. Sorry, I'm just really happy. Also, please don't forget to check out my lovely little website, glitterbubble.co.uk. If you are loving these really cool designs that I have come up with and that I have made myself by hand out of resin, yeah, I'd really appreciate it. Even if you just go ahead and just look at the site and just let me know what you think. You know, I'm not saying go and buy my stuff. I'd just like to know what you think of it, to be honest. So yeah, please do that. The link is in the description box below. Yeah, that's it. Take care, my darlings, and I will see you all soon. Bye.